we actually know about aliens according to science? It came from space, hurtling at tremendous speed, a mystery object, reddish, rocky, shaped like a cigar. Its velocity was so extreme it had to have come from somewhere far away, in the interstellar realm. The astronomers in Hawaii who spotted it in 2017 named it Oumuamua, Hawaiian for a messenger from afar arriving first. But what was it exactly? A comet, an asteroid, or maybe an alien spacecraft? That conjecture incited headlines as well as eye rolls from most scientists. But here in West Virginia, the people involved in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, commonly called SETI, decided to aim a giant radio telescope at it just to be sure. Aliens are having a moment. Fascination with the concept of extraterrestrial visitors isn't new, but it has enjoyed a 21st century efflorescence. Military pilots have seen things that look otherworldly. The Pentagon has established an office to look into the sightings. Congress has held hearings. Even NASA got into the game, training the cool logic of science onto a scorching hot cultural topic. Somewhere along the line, UFOs got rebranded. Unidentified flying objects are now, per government edict, unidentified anomalous phenomena, UAPs. For SETI researchers, the hypothetical existence of aliens is foundational. Nestled in the remote mountain town of Green Bank, the National Radio Astronomy Observatory has a role in one of the most ambitious SETI projects, called Breakthrough Listen. The project buys time on the towering Robert C. Byrd Green Bank telescope, which has a steerable dish 300 feet in diameter. If there are aliens transmitting radio signals anywhere near us in the galaxy, that big dish is all ear. Confirming an alien radio signal would be possibly the most consequential and disruptive scientific discovery of all time. SETI scientists have no doubt that the search is worth the effort. I think if we didn't do that and turned our back on our cosmological neighbors, that would be a sad thing for me. David McMahon, the chief scientist on Breakthrough Listen, said this fall during a visit to Green Bank. In September, a journalist in Mexico garnered global headlines by displaying to Mexico's Congress what he claimed were the 1,000-year-old mummified corpses of two three-fingered aliens. Mexican scientists scoffed, appalled at the reputational damage caused by what one professor called a pseudoscientific event, which appeals to our fantasies, desires, and fears. The scientific community views the recent UAP mania as a cultural phenomenon, not an astrobiological one. There's not much here that meets the standards science requires, such as evidence that is testable, reproducible, falsifiable. An allegedly non-human mummified body was displayed at the San Lazaro Legislative Palace in Mexico City in September. Scientists later denounced the artifact as pseudoscience. That's impossible with the conjectured existence of alien spaceships that have the amazing ability to disappear. And if someone says there's alien hardware stashed in a warehouse somewhere, scientists want to see it and poke and prod it and bite it and gnaw on it for a while. There have been many sightings of UAPs by credible witnesses, including military pilots. Some remain unexplained and could have national security significance if the objects in question involve new technologies from foreign adversaries. But official government reports, including one from a special NASA task force, say there is no evidence that any of these things involve extraterrestrials. SETI researchers occupy a unique and awkward niche amid the debate. Aliens, though hypothetical, are the reason they go to work, but they have chosen not to include an investigation of blurry, stealthy, here-and-gone UAPs as part of their mission, McMahon said. SETI is not a belief system, McMahon said. It's a scientific methodology.